G'day guys, Scotty here from the Hook and the Ccok, and welcome back to our channel. Well, as you guessed it, I'm fishing another drain, or the top end of a creek anyway, as you can see behind me. Going to explore this creek today. Hopefully it'll produce a few nice fish. Again, did all my research on Google Earth and found this little creek and thought this is definitely worth a try. I'm just, the road's just up behind me there, so it should be an interesting day. Now guys, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so you get notified when we put another video up. And leave us a comment down below if you'd like to see us film something different for you, or leave some comments on this clip. Now what I'm going to do today, going to bait this area first, and I've made up my secret burley again. I'm just going to make a couple of balls up like this. I'm just going to lob a few out here, and then I'll come back and fish this area. Got another angler on the other side there having a go. He's already told me he catches a few nice brim here at times. So I'm going to do this for a little bit, and then I'm going to head down river and work some lures and work my way right down, and then I'll come back later maybe and have a bit of a go around this spot after this bait or this burley hopefully maybe drags a few fish in. Anyway, let's go off and explore. Well, I've been exploring further up towards the road where I started. I've just come down through here, and beautiful drain pipe on the other side, and I've seen a little bit of action over there. So what I thought I'd do is I'm going to sit here, put a few burley bombs out there, and then fish an unweighted prawn and see if we can get a result doing that. There we have it, nice prawn bait. Now I'm fishing no sinker, just fishing the prawn bait straight through. Little half hitch on the top just to help it hold it on. Make sure you have your barb exposed, which is pretty important. And just lob him out there and see how that goes. Getting it run straight away. Fish on. That didn't take too long. It was right in the mouth of the drain over there. Looks like we've got a nice brim. There's about 3 or 4 brim following him here as well. I'll just bring the camera down, you can have a look. There he is. Beautiful. There we have it, guys. Nice brim, probably just legal, and like I said, nice drain over the other side there, and he just came out of that drain. Beautiful fish. Anyway, I'll get him back in the water. off he goes. All right, I'm going to get another bait over on that drain and see if we can get another one. Well, the tide's dropped, the bite's gone off, and I think it's time for me to go home. Been interesting. It's a good looking little creek. I think it's got potential. I did see a lot of activity, seen quite a few bream, managed to get one myself, and a nice big eel cruising along the edges, and a big stingray. So there is life in these little creeks. So anyway guys, I'm going to pack it in today, but we'll see you guys on the water real soon, and hey, please subscribe to our channel. Cheers guys.